तारों पर तो पे गया अंदर
What is that?
This is UVA rays, ma'am,
Huh.
and we antibacterial all the gadgets which we use for each client.
Yeah.
As soon as my client will get over, again I will do the disinfection.
Okay.
We use.
You are using this disposable apron for every client.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, all
And
everything. And all hygienic procedure also.
Just a minute. You can.
so Sujal, you are starting with disposable apron for each client.
Yeah, all is fine. Yeah.
And what
Compulsory.
instrument you are using?
Hand gloves and all face sheets and face mask also.
Okay.
So compulsory all clients.
Compulsory all clients.
Yeah.
Okay. Good one. You are taking clients by appointment only?
Yeah, only appointment for one by one.
Okay. You are giving appointment, so nobody come into the parlor
No.
other than the appointment?
Yeah, not for waiting,
Huh?
only for appointment and then take out.
You are going to take telephoning appointments?
Yeah, online also.
Online also.
Yeah, WhatsApp and tele.
Yeah. After completing the cutting, what process you are going to be done?
All
All equipments?
yeah, all sanitized also and
Yeah.
then
Disinfecting?
disinfected.
Okay.
All necessary.
Okay.
कोणी पण जॉब करतो त्याला लाठी दुष्काळ पडली
Vinaji, are you going to checking the temperature of each client?
First of all, when the client enters,
Huh?
we sanitize their hand, we take the temperature of the body,
Yeah.
and wherever she has to sit, we just disinfect the seat and we maintain the distance of one chair in each client.
Okay.
We use alternate chairs.
Okay.
And without appointments, we are not taking any client.
Have you sanitized your premises?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We are thankful to Matrix. They have sponsored us this sanitization.
Okay. What is the duration of your sanitization?
1 week, once a week. And we use UVA rays for each and every gadget.
Okay. What UVA works?
It kills the bacteria.
Okay. How you communicated with your clients?
Through WhatsApp.
Okay. You are taking appointment by WhatsApp and online.
Yes.
What you suggest for the people who are wish to come into the parlor?
They should come in the parlor
Hmm.
while wearing mask,
Hmm.
gloves,
Hmm.
and they should check their temperature at home.
Hmm.
They should not be a traveler from abroad,
Hmm.
and they should have a wash after going from here.
Okay. Done. Vinaji, one more question to you.
Yes, ma'am.
What you are doing which that hair
Hmm.
which is cut here?
Hmm.
What you are doing after that?
After the haircut, first we wash the hair
Yeah.
so that it get clean.
Hmm.
Then we cut the hair and then we are going to apply the color because hair services are advisable in this period.
Hair services is advisable.
Yeah.
Okay. So we should not touch again and again to the hair also. That is the main purpose behind it.
Yeah. And your scalp should be clean. It should not be greasy.
Greasy. Yeah, exactly. What you suggest about the another aspect of
In-
beauty?
In beauty services, they can have manicure,
Hmm.
they can have pedicure,
Hmm.
they can have head massage,
Yeah.
but they cannot have skin treatments.
Okay.
Yes, some parlor has got only mechanical facials.
Hmm.
If at all possible, yes, they can have that.
Okay. In this pandemic situation, so many patients are about the skin diseases.
Yeah.
What you suggest about it?
They have to use home care, ma'am.
Okay.
On WhatsApp, we call them,
Hmm.
we check their skin and then we tell them about the skin at the home care.
Okay. You are giving a service to them for skin diseases people?
No, we cannot, ma'am.
Okay.
थोड़ा लेयर भी ऐड कर दूँ तो 1 मिनट
बॉर्डर स्टेप दे देगा तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ
Vinaji, what is your parlor's name?
My parlor's name is Beauty Affairs.
How many years you are doing this business?
We have completed 25 years, ma'am.
Okay, good. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your achievement in this beautician profession?
In this profession, Guinness has given me award to design multifacials and it was sponsored by Himalayas.
Okay.
I have received more than 10 awards in the name of Hirkani Award, in the name of Maharashtra Ratna Award. Many awards I have won. I have written 6 books on beauty
Oh, good.
and I have taught in various countries like Thailand,
Hmm.
Dubai,
Hmm.
Singapore,
Hmm.
Sydney
Hmm.
and Pakistan.
What is your extracurricular activities in this profession?
To write the books.
To write the books. And I heard something about your demos about the products of beauty.
Yeah, I promote the products
Huh.
and I do research on Indian skin because the products which are coming from countries, they are not rightly used for the Indian skin. So we do little changes in that.
Okay.
क्लिप मध्ये आलेच पाहिजे तर सगळे केस
हो.
मोकळे सोडता नाही येणार.
हो जास्त बारीक नको.